It is the verdict still being debated across the Bay Area. Retired Tampa Police Captain Curtis Reeves acquitted for the murder of Chad Olson. The decision bringing relief for Reeves' family and renewing the grief for Olson's widow, Nicole. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson covered the trial from beginning to end. He joins us live from Tampa with reaction from key figures on both sides. Jeff.
Good evening, Jen. Rick Escobar and Dino Michaels worked for 8 years to defend Curtis Reeves. They believe the jury in Pasco County got this verdict right. But the attorney for Chad Olson's wife, Nicole, says for her this verdict means there is no justice.
Moments after the verdict was read, Chad Olson's wife left the courthouse in tears. TJ Grimaldi has represented Nicole Olson for 8 years and says she's still too upset to talk about it because for her, the verdict means there is no closure.
In her mind and in the mind of a lot of the eyewitnesses, Chad didn't do anything to have this result.
But the attorneys for Curtis Reeves have a very different view, saying Curtis Reeves was in fear for his life because Chad Olson attacked him. And because Reeves is over the age of 65, the attack became a felony.
The danger doesn't have to be real, it just has to be reasonably perceived as danger.
Rick Escobar says he believes the law the jury applied in this case is a good one.
I think that is one that there's a lot of wisdom in how they drafted that law. I think by the same token, I think there's a lot of individuals in our community that just don't understand the application of the law.
But Escobar and his partner Dino Michaels realized the outcome could have been much different for someone without the financial resources to pay for this kind of legal defense.
It's very, very scary if you don't have the resources to get the truth out.
We were able to present enough material, enough evidence for a juror to look at it, apply the law, and say this law is for somebody to be able to defend themselves, not to wait until after. This is the law of self-defense.
The attorneys for Curtis Reeves tell me that his legal defense costs in excess of $1 million. They tell me he paid for that legal defense himself, and because of that, he will now have to sell his home and have a much different retirement that he had planned on. Jen?
Well, I'm curious, Jeff, could Reeves also face a civil suit from Chad Olson's widow?
I talked to TJ Grimaldi about that today. He says that lawsuits have been settled in this case, but because of non-disclosure agreements, he's not at liberty to tell us what those settlements were and how much they might have amounted to if, in fact, that there was any financial compensation. Jen?
All right, Jeff Patterson reporting live for us tonight. Thank you, Jeff.